My name is Astha. I'm in-country representative for University of Kansas. I take care of undergraduate recruitment in India. I would really want to thank Study Metro for giving me this opportunity to present. Thank you so much to all the organizers. Thanks a lot. I will be sharing a brief overview about University of Kansas first before I move on to our School of Engineering, which is one of the most popular school in KU. So if you see US map, we are right in the center of US. You can also say we are in the heart of the US. University of Kansas is 40 minutes from Kansas City, and it is in small town Lawrence, which has a population of 100,000 people. People in Lawrence, they are very warm and welcoming. You'll find a lot of cafes. You'll see people playing music by the street side. I mean, students, they do enjoy it, and Lawrence is also in top 10 college towns. We have a population of around 28,000 students on campus with 2,100 international students from 100 plus countries. So I'm very sure once you're on campus, you are going to meet a lot of interesting and entertaining people from all across the world. We are also part of NCAA Division 1, and we are very popular for our basketball events. I'm not very sure how many of you follow basketball, but if you go and check, you'll see Snoop Dogg was the one to start our event last year. We are very popular for basketball and even other sports like swimming, mountain climbing. You can look at those opportunities as well. Moving forward to our School of Engineering, our School of Engineering is very popular among students. That is because KU is a tier 1 public research university. We are in top 100 in the US for our School of Engineering. We are also part of Association of American Universities. So when I say we are a tier 1 public research university, that means our students, they get exposure to research. They can start working on various researches from the first semester itself. You don't have to wait to get into your final year or maybe till later to start your own research. As you can see, there are a few pictures over here. The first picture is basically our aerospace lab is very popular and it is funded by NASA and NSF. So our students, they closely work with CRESIS. CRESIS is a center for remote testing of ice sheets. So our students, they work together with these people to build up components which can be attached to UAVs and small aircrafts. Then later, the engineers and scientists for whom we are building these projects, they fly these aircrafts over regions like Antarctica. What they are trying to do is they are trying to create a 3D picture of an ice sheet. So this is the kind of exposure you get. You work on such projects. So the hands-on experience is exceptional at KU. Having said so, in a normal class size, when we have normal classes going on, we have approximately 400 researchers uh, going on. Apart from it, we have 16 acres of research classroom and lab space. You can visit our website for more details and search more about our aerospace lab. Also, not just aerospace, our other departments are even part of extensive research. Our students, they work with Tesla lab. They are trying to find fuel which is environmentally friendly. So that is something they are working on. Apart from it, we do offer placement opportunities. So basically every year, twice a year, we conduct a placement fair for students in Jan and in fall intake. So there is an interesting event we conduct just before the career fair. We call it trivia night. So basically in this night, students, they can select what all company representatives they want to meet, sit with them, have a casual conversation, have dinner with them. So students basically can select the company representatives, and just a night before the career fair, they can meet them, speak to them, have a casual dinner with them, and talk about their hobbies and everything casually. And the next day you meet them at the career fair. So it gives you a better understanding about the representative, and vice versa. The representative has a better understanding about you. Not just that, our career cell, they also provide you an opportunity where they help you prepare for interviews. They help you negotiate for the salaries. So that is something you can also look at. And apart from it, we do have internship opportunities available on campus. We have all these majors available, starting from aerospace to civil engineering, to chemical and petroleum engineering, electrical engineering, and computer science. Now that we are on computer science, I'll just share a quick fact. If you go to Google Earth, you will see Lawrence is the starting point of Google Earth. That is because the co-creator is a KU alumni, and he's also a current professor. I'll just leave a little research for the students. If you go and search for CB Key app, that is a new app, non-profit app, which he has developed for just to overcome the COVID unrest. So just go online and have a look. We even have other majors like engineering, physics, mechanical engineering, which you can have a look at. Our admission criteria is very simple. In case you're looking at a direct entry to our program, we would need a GPA of 3.0 or above and a good SAT score, wherein the math score should not be less than 610 in SAT and 20. It should not be less than 26 in ACT. In case you don't want to take SAT or you don't score up to the mark score, in that case you can enroll for a pre-engineering program. That is an option, but in that case you'll have to study a couple of extra subjects and have a certain GPA to select your major by the end of first year. Moving forward to our scholarships, we do offer scholarships which goes up to full tuition fee waiver as well. So we have certain criteria for all these scholarships. The first scholarship, which is $3,000 US, it is a renewable scholarship and it is given basis your GPA. The $6,000 US scholarship again is a renewable scholarship and is also given basis your GPA. And the $9,000 US is given basis your GPA, and we also look at your SAT score and resume. Then talking about a full tuition fee waiver scholarship, every year we give 5 full tuition fee waiver scholarship to Indian students. So for this scholarship, you really have to have a holistic profile. You need to have a good SAT score, overall GPA, a strong resume. You can also visit our website to have a look on the topics. You will have to submit an essay for this specific scholarship. You can visit our website to check for the topics. And if you have any question, you can write to us directly or you can check with your counselors at Study Metro. That's all from my side. In case you have any question, you can always get in touch with me or speak to your counselors at Study Metro.